Tile's tracking devices have been around for more than a decade, but haven't really faced any serious mainstream competition until Apple and Samsung launched their own competing products.
Tile trackers are one of the only options for Android phone users, and if you don't want to pay Apple prices for an AirTag, which Tile tracker should you get? I'll tell you what you need to know to make a decision.
Tile Mate is the company's most affordable Tile tracker, priced at about $24 US or $74 for a pack of 4.
Even being the budget product in the lineup, the Tile Mate is well-rounded in terms of specs, with an impressive 3-year battery life, water resistance, and a maximum Bluetooth range of about 250 feet. One of the corners of the Tile Mate has a hole in it, making it an ideal companion for bags, keys, and even pet collars. It also comes in a wider range of colors and designs.
Like all Tile products, your Tile Mate can be located using Tile's free app, which can also command your tracker to make noise to help you find it if you can't immediately see it.
Tile Mate's main downside is that the battery can't be replaced, which effectively turns it into a tiny paperweight when it is fully drained. Just remember to always be a good environmental citizen, though, by taking any empty Tile trackers to your local e-waste recycling center.
Next up is Tile's smallest tracker, the Tile Sticker. As the name suggests, this one has a strong adhesive on the back and a smaller surface area, making it great for attaching to small objects like remote controls or game controllers. The Tile Sticker is also a nice choice for some larger objects like bikes, since you can actually attach it to a concealed spot a little more discreetly.
Despite being smaller, the Tile Sticker can keep up with the Tile Mate in terms of battery life, and it even has the same Bluetooth range.
The only two sacrifices you make here are the lack of a hole for hanging and a slightly higher cost at about $29 US or $97 for a pack of 4. Both Tile Mate and Tile Sticker are quite small, but they aren't necessarily thin enough to fit into tighter spaces like a wallet. That's where Tile Slim plays a role, since it's only barely thicker than a credit card. Like the Tile Sticker, it has the same specs and battery life, although the built-in speaker is slightly louder than the other more affordable Tile trackers, which will help you track it down if it's still buried deep in your wallet. Thinness does come with an extra tax, though, with a single tracker costing about $34.99 US, and you only get a small savings by buying a 2-pack at $62.99. It's the price of being thin.
A lot of mainstream gadgets have a Pro version, and the Tile tracker is no exception.
This is a pro device in the sense that professionals who have extremely valuable belongings and require the most reliable tracking should get it. The unit is slightly larger than a Tile Mate, and it resembles a car key fob, but it gains 3 exclusive advantages: a much louder speaker, an increased Bluetooth range of 400 feet, and a replaceable CR2032 battery. Like the Tile Mate, the unit has a hole for attaching to luggage, keys, or other important items. Tile also priced the Tile Pro at $34.99 US, which is the same as the Tile Slim, and you can save a significant amount by buying a 4-pack for about $99. Available colors are only black or white, though.
This battery should last about a year before you need to replace it, which is on par with something like Apple's AirTag.
Every Tile tracker works with the Tile app for iOS or Android devices. This app allows you to scan for any Tile trackers you own within Bluetooth range and see them on a map. Once detected, you can have the tracker ring so you can locate it.
Tile relies on users having the app running in the background on their smartphones in order to help triangulate the location of other trackers in the area. It'll show you your tracker's last recorded location on a map, but not who it's with or whose phone might be picking it up. Privacy, you know.
Tile also offers a paid subscription service called Tile Premium, which gives extra features and warranty costing about $2.99 US a month, or about $30 a year. Subscribing unlocks the Smart Alerts feature, which works by giving your smartphone a push notification whenever you leave behind anything with a Tile tracker attached, and that is similar to Apple AirTags. It can also keep location records of your Tile trackers over the past 30 days.
Finally, Premium means you can share access to your Tile tracker with other friends or family members as long as they install the app in case you need help finding a lost item. That's something even Apple AirTag's original version doesn't allow you to do. You also get direct access to the customer care team. If you live in the US and lose an item with a Tile tracker and the app can't find it, by the way, Tile will also reimburse you with the product's value as long as it's not over $100. If you opt for the Premium Protect plan, which costs about $99 a year, that increases your maximum reimbursement to $1,000, which actually might make this a solid insurance policy for things like bicycles. Tile's competitors like Apple AirTag may offer some extra benefits and functionality if you have an iPhone, but Tile trackers do still provide solid features to the millions of users who don't own an iPhone. Don't forget to check out my video that can help you choose whether an Apple AirTag or a Tile tracker is the best pick for you, or see the answers to the most common questions about Apple AirTags right now.